Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Hope you all are fine. Today I am going to explain about National Human Rights Commission. So, in order to gain some knowledge, you have to watch the video till last. National Human Rights Commission. In 1966, the UNO adopted a resolution and it sought suggestion from all its member states regarding the formations of human rights commissions in its respective state. In 1970, the Human Rights Commission of the UNO pursued the issue of the formation human right in all the member states seriously, and accordingly the UN proposal in this regard was put forwarded to all the member states. Again in June 1993, in the Human Rights Commission conference held in Vienna, the issue of forming Human Rights Commission in each of the UNO member states was held. As a result, such Human Rights Commission was formed in the member states to protect human rights in respective states. On 28 September 1993, the President of India threw an ordinance from National Human Rights Commissions in India. On December 18, in the same year, a bill was tabled in the Parliament in place of the ordinance. On 8 January 1994, President gave his consent on the bill and the same became an act. The same act is known as the Human Rights Protection Act 1993. In accordance with this National Human Rights Commission, the State Human Rights Commission has been set up in the provinces. The chairman of the National Human Rights Commission should be a retired Chief Justice of the Supreme Court. Among other members are: one member is either a serving or retired judges of the Supreme Court. Another member is either a serving Chief Justice of any High Court or retired Chief Justice of the High Court. Number 3. Two members are from those having knowledge and experience on human rights activities as activity. In addition, the chairman of the National Minority Commission, the chairman of the Scheduled Caste and Scheduled Tribe National Commission, and the chairman of the National Women Commission shall be the member of the National Human Rights Commission. The President of India appoints all the members of the Commission for 5 years. The Commission shall take up all the human rights violation cases in India, and after proper security and revive, it shall submit its report to the government for necessary action. On the whole, the National Human Rights Commission must play the role of a sentinel so far the human rights are concerned. Functions of the commissions are: the commission shall perform all or any of the following functions, namely: number 1, undertake and promote research in the field of human rights. Number 2, encourage the efforts of non-government organizations and institutions working in the field. Number 3, review the factors including act of terrorists that the enjoyment of the remedial human rights and recommend appropriate measure. Number 4, negligence in the prevention of such violence by a public servant. So there are some of the incidents in which the National Human Rights Commission plays the very important role. So let us discuss about that. Number 1, firing by security forces in Jammu and Kashmir. On November 1st, 1993. The Commission Su and Motu took out the press report about the death of nearly 60 persons in and around Jammu and Kashmir as a result of firing by the security forces. The Commission also called for report from the Ministers of Defense and Home Affairs and also from the government of Jammu and Kashmir. While the Ministries of Defense clarified that the army was not involved, the Ministry of Home Affairs sent a report to the Commission on the basis of magisterial inquiry ordered by the state government into the incident and the staff court of inquiry ordered by BSF authority. On the examination of the report, it is found that the evidence given by the 6 witnesses, the Commission made the following observation and recommendation. Number 1. The Commission noted that the disciplinary proceedings had been initiated under the Border Security Forces Act against 14 members of the forces and further that on the basis of magisterial inquiry, steps must be initiated to launch the necessary steps. Interim compensation was recommended to the families of the victim. Number 3. The Commission recommended that thorough review should be undertaken by the government of the circumstances and the condition in which the unit of BSF are deployed and expected to operate in situations involving only civilian population. Next comes these recommendations were communicate to the central government, and the Commission has been informed that the recommendations made by it have been accepted. Another incident in which the National Commission played important role is discussed as below. Alleged custodial death of Raja in Dharampuri district, Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu State Legal and Advice Board brought to the notice of the Commission a press report concerning the disappearance of Raja, aged 15 years, who had been taken into custody by the police in Dharampuri district of Tamil Nadu. The death of Raja in custody had generated widespread discontent. The House Bar Association and Dan Kanikoti Bar Association had passed resolution arguing impartial inquiry. The Commission took out the step for the incident that has occurred and called for a report from the government of Tamil Nadu. The state government informed the Commission on 22nd February 1994 that 3 police officers has been suspended and magisterial inquiry into the incident have been ordered by the collector. So friends, this is how the National Human Rights Commission has played a very important role in solving the various problems. Now also they are playing most important role in our society. So we should cooperate with them and should always try to solve the problem with the help of them. So friend, in this video only the few examples of the National Human Rights Commissions were given. They had played very important role in our society. So friends, I think it has helped you a lot, and if you watch it again, you will know more about it in the next video. Thank you for watching this video. So friends, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.